भजाम्यहं गजाननम् भजाम्यहं गजाननं गणेश्वरं गजेश्वरं स्मराम्यहं नायकं विनायकं विनायकम् सुरासुरादि पूजितम् सुरासुरादि पूजितम् नरादिराजवन्दितम् पुराणशास्त्रसेवितम् करादिपादपद्मनम् स्मराम्यहं विनायकं विनायकं विनायकम् नारदादिमुनिजनप्रिय शारदा तमाविनोतम् भारती संगीतसारं सारथी सुगीततत्त्वम् ज्येष्ठराजस्वामिनम् अभीष्टवरप्रदायिनम् ईश्वरं नमाम्यहं शाश्वतं निरन्तरम् स्मराम्यहं विनायकं विनायकम् भजाम्यहं विनायकं विनायकं विनायकम् विनायकं विनायकम्
Chitram, a portrait of India, a grand multimedia production, is taking place on Sunday, October the 2nd, at the O'Shaughnessy Auditorium in the St. Kate University in St. Paul. You can contact by email for tickets, Chitram, spelled CHITRAM .Minneapolis, MPLS, @gmail.com.
Because Minnesotans to be exposed to a whole new kind of music and opportunities and culture that is something we don't see up here very often. It's a good, proceeds are going to be going to Second Harvest, so we'll be supporting a local organization.
Minnesota is a cold place. It's a very cold place, but I've been interacting with a lot of people from this community here, and they've proved that the hearts are not cold. It's a lot of warm-hearted, welcoming people that have invited me to work with them for the last year or so. And I've been working with a lot of people from the community to bring the music of Chitram to life. And so thank you, Minnesota, for making this my second home. And I'm very grateful to Minnesota for awarding me the McKnight Fellowship as well. It gives me an opportunity to come here and work with all of you.